Baba? Baba, you see snow?
No.
Okay, let's go dress up so we can go outside. I don't know if I want to do it, but since you just want to look at it, you might as well go play with it for a few minutes. Let's go dress up so you can go play with the snow. Let's go. Kid? You like it? You ready to go play? Now you need shoes. I don't know what kind of shoes. Hey, look at me. Look. 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 Hey, are you having fun? Are you having fun? Why are you not talking? You wanna go back to the house? Huh? Okay. He's not talking. Okay. Oh. Are you having fun? Are you having fun? You wanna go back to the house? Let me try to see if he is gonna want to go back. Baba, let's go home. You wanna go home? You wanna go home? You wanna go back in the house? This boy is ignoring me. Okay, you wanna run? Okay, go. 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 Hey. Okay, let's go back. Baba, you have to go back. Let's go home. No, Baba, let's go. We have to go back, Baba. We have to go. Please, we have to go. It's getting cold. Go. We have to go, Baba. No, okay. Did you have fun? Did you have fun? Did you have fun? Okay, let's go. Let's go back. Let's go back in the house. But open the door. Oh. Hey. Open the door. Open the door. Go.
The boy didn't want to go inside, but I know how to distract him. Just entertain him, make some good meal. He's a boss. Thank you guys for watching the video and see you next time.